Hello everyone. This application is all about GST state code list and validation in the contact module. In the contact module, if we select the state and enter the tax ID, and if we enter any wrong state tax code, then system will be giving the validation error for updating the correct tax ID. And if the state is not updated after updating the tax ID, then system will be updating the validation error for updating the state. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this particular module, we need to go to the accounting module. In the accounting configuration, we have a new menu called GST state code list. So all these state code list will be updated automatically when that particular app is updated. And if you want to add any new state with the state code or GST code, you can click on new button, and here you can add the state code, state name, GST IN code, and the state code. So based on that, in the contact, you will be able to get the correct state code view. And after updating this, I'll go to the contact module, and here I'll click on new button, and here I'll be giving a name called John, and here I'll be giving the state. I'm giving the Karnataka, and here I'll give the GST IN of the Karnataka. So I'm putting up the correct GST IN for the Karnataka, and after mentioning, I'll save this. So this particular form has been saved since the state and the GST IN is validated. And similarly, if I change the state code as a Bihar, and if the GST IN is for Karnataka, and if I save, it will show me the validation error telling that enter the valid state. And similarly, if I will not update the state, and here I'll update the GST IN and save, I'll get a validation error telling that please select the state, and I'll be selecting again the Karnataka. And if I change any GST IN number, that is, if I give a wrong GST number, so if I duplicate this particular screen, and if I go to the accounting configuration and GST state code list, in the Karnataka we have a 29 as a GST IN code, and here I'm giving as 28. And if I save this, you will be able to see the, if I'll give the GST IN as 28, and if I give any other number that is a wrong GST IN number for Karnataka, and if I save, it will show me the validation error telling that enter valid state code. So these are the validation which we have provided in this particular module. And if we have any, this can be created for both the customer and the vendor master in the contacts. So this is regarding the GST state code list and validation in the contact form. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.